Shani is a servant. Simple now. People know everything. Shani means grief.
Excuse me. Gemini, Mercury is sternum.
Sternum, na? Sternum is like silica, na? But then weakness is there.
Weakness in Gemini.
Not in Gemini. Sternum can have a strong Mercury. Silica, sternum. Mercury, I don't know, you cannot differentiate. Mercury can be present in plants, animals, everywhere. It can gel anywhere. Whomever he is with, he will take that property. So you have sulfur iode, Venus होगा तो. Got it? अकेला strong हो तो arsenic भी हो सकता है, arsenic iode भी हो सकता है, arsenic alb also can happen. You have silica, you have sternum, because they can gel everywhere, no? So that part of Mercury is present, you can say, in every constitution. So to label that, okay, but you can say one thing, that predominantly psychosis. Predominant miasm is psychosis. Now Saturn. To make something, I'll just tell you a story. Saturn means Matsya avatar. So Matsya avatar, tortoise. You know Samudra Manthan हुआ था, where there was for Amrit they had to churn the ocean. So Saturn is that tortoise. When you compare it with Vedas, it has got the capacity to carry Meru Karma. Means the positive side of Saturn is so much strength it has to carry grief, to carry load. No other planet has this capacity. Just imagine a tortoise, very slow but perseverant, requires very less food, is a vegetarian, walks very slowly, but in tortoise and rabbit, tortoise wins. Rabbit is overconfident, tortoise is perseverant, hard work, hardship, meticulousness, perfectionist. कर्मवादी, that is Saturn. एक जगह चिपक गया तो 2.5 साल हिलेगा नहीं. जब तक इसके लिए कुंभ, Saturn governs कुंभ राशि है, Capricorn, मकर. So कुंभ is the most intellectual sign. Kumbh is required for researchers, scientists, PhD. So it's a windy sign, it's an intellectual sign, and they basically may not be very intelligent, but because of sheer hard work, they are achievers. The work they can do, nobody else, no planet can do, not Jupiter, not Venus, nobody. So servant, you compare it to this concept. You know, if you don't have a scavenger, सब जगह गंदगी फैल जाएगी ना. So it is compared to Shudras, means previously it was done work, all this dirty work was done by Shudras. So they were called Saturn. But then अगर वो नहीं होंगे तो क्या होगा? So they can work in the dirtiest environment, in very harsh conditions like Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, extreme climates. These are all Saturn dominant people. It It is the harshness. They only believe that my hand is my strength. Forget about mind. Saturn is the sheer hard work in you. People you find very hardworking, very meticulous, do their work very silently, without projecting themselves. They don't need sun, they don't need Venus, they don't need Mercury. They will only silent workers are Saturn. Hardship. Iron hand. That is Saturn. Why it is considered dangerous? Why do people fear Saturn? You call you something called Sadesati. Saturn is a taskmaster or a teacher. He tells you that you should not be overconfident. It keeps you grounded. So when you are flying in ego, when you are flying in with money, when you are flying with your Venus component, boss, zameen pe aao. This is what he tells. That's why people are scared of Saturn. They don't want to become like hard work. They don't want, nobody wants to do hard work. So one house before moon in your natal chart. Suppose your Rashi is, let's say, Tula. So at present Saturn is in Tula Rashi. It is going to stay for 2.5 years in Tula Rashi. So one house before moon in your natal chart, with moon, and one house after moon. So it is 7.5 years. 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. The natal position of your moon, the moon in your chart if you see, and in transit, the Saturn's transit, 2.5 years before, during and after, that is called Sadesati or Saturn's hardship. So there are people who are born in Sadesati. So they have to go through hardship right from childhood. Or your position, it makes you realize what is the reality, what is the fact. Don't be in a delusion. Understand the facts of life. That is Saturn. So it is the hard work, the working ability in you. So Saturn Moon combination, what would be the drugs? Saturn is grief. Moon is sensitivity. Natrum. All depressive remedies. Even magnesium can come. But magnesium don't feel depressed, they feel repressed. They feel deserved. So Saturn in 4th house is magnesium. 4th feeling is magnesium. Orphan feeling. They feel they deserve, they are not depressed. They feel they deserve whatever they are getting. That's why they are contented, not demanding. All magnesiums practically we say they are contented or non-demanding.
Sepia will be a...
Sepia will is indifference, Ketu combination.
Unam can be. Unam.
Unam is more of suppression, so it is Shani Mars combination. You require depressive remedies. Like Ignatia, it can be, Natrum, it can be, Actia racemosa, Staphylos aureus. Alumina is conflict related to identity. Alumina, I have not seen that combination, frankly. I cannot be very sure about alumina. Because alumina is conscientious and confusion related to identity. Alumina mein aayega nahi aayega. Alumina no.
Depressive mental state like girls, they have depressive mental states are working in conscience.
But then there is a lot of impulsiveness, there is a lot of conscience, there is a lot of anticipation. वो चीज नहीं आती है. Metals, it's metals में aurum, it can be aurum mur. See, all wherever mur element is there, you will find Saturn combination. Depressive tendency, aurum mur. No. Aurum met can be, but then the problem is conscience. The depression is because of he's not been able to perform his duty. It is not only grief. It is mainly duty in aurum met. Aurum mur, yes, is mother, depression related to mother. Mur component we relate to mother also. Disappointments are there more in mur component. Aurum mur nitro, I don't know.
So plumbums and zincums, where do they come from?
Plumbum तो is a very strong remedy ना, तो उसमें it will be metals only. Sun, company Mars combination. It has to be Mars ना. Plumbum, cuprum, company commander, police behind them, that all things are there. Colic, so that is all Mars related. Plumbum, writer cramps. Pathology wise, it is more psychosyphilitic.
Zincum is more zincum net pseudosyphilitic.
Zincum, there is a lot of restlessness, superstitiousness, fastidiousness, restlessness of legs. So Mars is also there.
More of the fag, brain fag and
Brain factor is the Mars Mercury combination. Superstition comes with Mercury. We have got a beautiful case of Zincum sulfur. So that is Mercury combination with restlessness of legs. Zincum, there has to be restlessness. Saturn is not restless. There is no restlessness in Saturn. Or it is very less. So Saturn Mars, yes. Now Saturn Mars means what? What do you mean by Saturn Mars? Tell me.
Slowness and fastness.
What do you mean by Saturn Mars?
Fast increase but slow increase.
What is Mars? Aggression. What is Shani? Suppressed. Ailment from suppressed anger. Staphysagria. Mars, Saturn, anger which is suppressed.
Diseases could also be autoimmune kind of disease.
केतु होना चाहिए autoimmune. Mars is a hot planet, Shani is a cold planet. So vapor. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना boiling hot. So you get all anger suppress remedy. The rubric 101% specifically degreecally they are very close. You have to take the rubrics ailment from suppressed anger. So these are the keynotes which you will understand from the chart. Right? Degreecally they are very close to each other. Degreecally means we will see it next time. Degreecally if they are very close to each other, it has to be suppressed anger. Or ailments from anger, vexation, mortification, indignation. Or constitution who is prone to this type of things. Saturn, Ketu. Ketu we have not done. Saturn, Mercury. Saturn, Moon we found all depressive remedies. Sensitivity, orphan, 4 second feeling, सब कुछ हो सकता है उसमें. We take और neglected feeling, सब मर्क्यूरी में फिर एप्रिसिएशन का आ सकता है वापस थीम जो कैलकेरिया सेल्फ कार्बोनियम सेल्फ मोर देन कैलकेरिया सेल्फ विल गेट कार्बोनियम सेल्फ सैटर्न एंड मर्क्यूरी टुगेदर बिकॉज यू नीड अ स्ट्रांग साइकोसिफिलिटिक रेमेडी सैटर्न इज स्लोनेस कार्बोनियम सेल्फ कार्बो एनिमलिस got it? Understood? Saturn, Jupiter is religious melancholia. Saturn, Jupiter will go into meditation, trance. When you become a servant, pull down your ego and accept everything in your life. No success without hardship. Discipline in life. Crashes your ego. That is all is Saturn. if you are not egoistic, Saturn will not do anything to you. Because Saturn is son of sun and both are opposites to each other. इसके लिए you go to any wherever there are 9 planets, जो 9 ग्रह temples है, they are always opposites to each other. Surya is fast, impatient. Saturn says no. So even for sun, if he wants to go to moksha, he has to go through Saturn. Is hardship. So Saturn becomes one of the most important planet for all of us. So if you obey Saturn, it gives you the best rewards.
Saturn Jupiter combination.
Religiousness है this वो बोलते ना मुनि लोग रहते हैं, even Ketu is also there with that. Muni नहीं तो they can meditate in minus temperatures with no clothes on. Hut yogis. Then Naga कुछ है ना, Naga tribe is there. हाँ. In minus 10 degree, minus 20 degree Celsius in snow, they don't wear any clothes and they can meditate. So they have to have a strong Saturn, Ketu or Jupiter combination. Psychosis. Jupiter is psychosis, Shani is psychosis. It cannot be Soro. Na. Shani has nothing to do with Sora. Saturn is always psychosis. Psychosis or syphilis. More psychosis only, psychosyphilitic you can see.
Our previous one.
इसमें क्या है, discipline है. See, whatever I am telling, that only is written out here. Shani is only one line, perseverance and hardship. So Shani, you have got Baraitas also, that is why. Baraitas are good workers.
Saturn plus Buddh or Saturn plus Mercury? Saturn plus Buddh will be Barite.
Saturn plus Buddh not necessary. Buddh combustion होगा, नहीं तो Buddh debilitated होगा. So you will get Baraita. No logic but good strong Saturn. While you are researchers, ना एक side Baraita है with Saturn, second side we have got PhD scientists. You are seeing scientists ना कैसे भी बाल है, but they are working. They are not sulfurs because they have that perseverance in them. Hard work. They can write thesis. We don't get such patients normally, no?
Can Shani and Sun come together?
Yes, that is Vishu. Yeah. Vishu, or I won't say there are two negative planets in one sign, na? So the person is always confused.
Dual.
Dabang jaisa. Because he has got the ego, he has got hard work. Difficult for that people. I have seen Sun and Saturn in first house. It creates problems for them. There is a depressive tendency and strong, even suicidal tendencies also there. The ego को ही मार रहा है ना बुरी तरह से. Specifically first house Sun is ego, and Saturn हो गया ego को ही मार रहा है पूरी. And that is the issue, major issue. It can happen in any science. Now it depends upon whose strength is high. According to the results vary. So people who are old, so Saturn rules old age. So you get all problems related to bones. Strong psychosis is there. Slow worker, थक गया आदमी, वो सब Saturn है. Shani in Lagnesh will make you thin. Denotes is dark color. हो सकता है, it is not always. But there is definite slowness of the constitution. The constitution is slow. So because I am also becoming slow now. That is effect of Saturn. enjoyment in Saturn. See, that is the problem. There is no life. So you are typical workers, इसके लिए servants. The so-called servant. It's supposed to be servant. Rahul.